Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using PDF.so connector for Power Automate Cloud. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your web browser and head over to make.powerautomate.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with various options to create and manage your workflows. Now direct your attention to the left side of the screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. Click on Create. This will open up several options for creating different types of automated flows, giving you access to various templates and workflow types. From the options that appear, click on Instant Cloud Flow. This type of flow is perfect for automations that you want to trigger manually whenever you need them, rather than having them run on a schedule or based on specific events. Next, you'll see different trigger options. Click on Manually Trigger a Flow to set it as your trigger. This means you'll be able to start this automation with a single click whenever you need to convert HTML to PDF. After selecting this, go ahead and click Create to set up your flow. Once your flow is created, click on the trigger you just set up. This will allow you to add the next steps in your automation process. Now, click the plus icon to add a new action. In the search box that appears, type PDF.so and then click See More to view all available PDF.so actions. From the list of PDF.so actions, click on HTML to PDF. This is the core action that will handle your HTML to PDF conversion. Once you select it, you'll see several configuration options appear. Now you'll see an HTML field where you need to paste your HTML code. This is where you input the actual HTML content that you want to convert into a PDF document. After pasting your HTML, you can customize the PDF output settings. Let's adjust the paper size. For this example, set it to A4, which is a standard document size used worldwide. This ensures your PDF will have proper dimensions and formatting. Next, move to the orientation setting and select Portrait. This means your document will be taller than it is wide, which is the standard format for most documents. You also have the option to adjust margins if needed. This gives you control over the spacing around your content, ensuring your PDF looks professional and well formatted. After configuring your PDF settings, click the plus icon again to add another action. In the search box, type Send an Email Notifications and click it. This action will allow you to send the generated PDF to yourself or others automatically. In the To field, input the receiver's email address. This is where the notification with the PDF link will be sent. Then input a subject line for your email so the recipient knows what the email is about. Now, in the body field, you can input a message. For example, type something like PDF is created. After typing your message, click the thunder icon to add dynamic content and click on URL. This will insert the link to your generated PDF directly into the email body, making it easy for the recipient to access the file. And there you have it. Your automation is now ready to run and save. You've successfully created a Power Automate flow that converts HTML to PDF using PDF.so and sends it via email. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.